Right YouTube, so welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm at Dynodaze to have something very special fitted, or a couple of things actually, which are sitting in these two boxes here. That might give one bit away. And then we've got the FD2 oil pump as well, the balance shaft delete. So that's quite exciting. Been waiting for this to be fitted for a while now. So I'm also having the timing chain done, because you might as well do the timing chain while it's all apart. Yeah, Dan said I could take my pick to any of those three lovely cars behind if I carefully walk backwards. Yeah, he just said you're welcome to have anyone you want. I wish. So I've got this little beauty as a courtesy car from Dynodaze. I absolutely love that liquid wrap. Stunning. That's brilliant. Fucking hell. So there we are. Sorry it's a bit of a short video, hence why I've thrown in some nice little super content to go with it, which was absolutely awesome to be in. Yeah, I couldn't stay there to film all day, or film any at all actually, to be honest. I think I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning to get there for about 7:30 in the morning. So yeah, I had to get home. I think I've done about 10 hours of driving in the last 2 days. I'm pretty shattered. So yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? You can see that we've gained, I think it's about 5.5 flywheel horsepower from putting the FD2 oil pump in. I have a nice little weight saving as well. Probably not something I would go for on its own, because I wanted the baffle for the sump so I can do some track days and not worry about oil starvation. You've got to get the oil pump as well, so it's, you know, a nice little gains, good as well. It's interesting because I thought when I had the last dyno run it was quite cold, but it wasn't. It was actually pretty warm. So when they put it on the dyno this morning it was pretty cold, and the wheel horsepower was up about 10 or something. I think it's about 210 wheel horsepower, but then dyno sort of adjusts it then to match the atmospheric and pressures and temperatures and things, so you got a direct comparison with the last dyno run. So you can see from, was it about 6,000 or so, you get a nice little increase. I don't know, is it enough to notice? I don't know, but it's a tricky one because I've been driving the Mitsubishi Colt, and then you jump into that and it feels fast anyway, but I don't know whether it feels faster than it did. Maybe, I don't know. But as for vibration, I couldn't really notice any vibration. I thought, oh, can I actually feel something through the pedal and the steering? But I don't know, it's just a bit of a placebo thing, I don't know. Like I said, I've just jumped in from one car to another. So don't forget to go and check out the Dynodaze video where they actually go into some proper detail of what they did and show you a bit of video of what they're doing and talk with far more knowledge than I've got. But yeah, at least you can see you can actually get a nice little power gain from swapping the oil pumps over. A little bit of weight gain as well, so winning on all fronts. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.